Frigidaire air conditioner model FFRE103ZA1 error codes. Features 3 different fan speeds for more cooling flexibility. Reduce your utility bills in this mode. It cools similarly to central air, with the unit turning on and off at different intervals to ensure the room stays at the set temperature. Maximum comfort throughout the evening hours with the added benefit of energy savings. With sleep mode, the temperature gradually increases a few degrees over the evening. Error codes. Code EA. Problem. If the display reads EA, the room temperature sensor has failed. Contact your authorized Frigidaire service center. Code S. Problem. If the display reads ES, the evaporator temperature sensor has failed. Contact your authorized Frigidaire service center. Code E4. Problem. If the display reads E4, the display panel communication has failed. Contact your authorized Frigidaire service center. Code P1. Problem. If the display reads P1, the bottom tray is full. Carefully move the unit to a drain location, remove the bottom drain plug and let the water drain away. Restart the machine until the P1 symbol disappears. If the error repeats, call for service. Code F1. Problem. Indoor air temp sensor open short. 8-segment display F1 foot with status light, flash 1 time and is off 3 seconds, repeat. Code F2. Problem. Indoor coil sensor open or short. 8-segment display F2 feet, with status light flashes 2 times and off 3 seconds, repeat. Code F4. Problem. Outdoor coil sensor open short. 8-segment display F4 feet, with status light flash 3 times and off 3 seconds, repeat. Code FP. Problem. Freeze guard protection. 8-segment display FP. Source. AS error code. COM.